morning, student. How are you? Hope you are fine. It's me, your science teacher from National Papson Kasky. Today I am here to discuss about a remaining part of your lesson Simple Machine. Isn't it? Till today, from this lesson, we have discussed about in our last class, we have discussed about the pulley system and a lever. And also calculate the one numerical problems related to lever. Isn't it? I hope you are clear in that topics. Now, today I am at first doing the one numerical problems related to pulley. We have discussed the three types of pulley. First one is single fixed pulley. M is load upon effort, BR is 1 because it has the distance traveled by the effort is always equal to the distance traveled by load. Isn't it? Second one is single movable pulley. Single movable pulley. In this system, the BR is 2. Because the distance traveled by the effort is double than that of the distance traveled by load. And third one is mixed pulley or block and tackle pulley. Mixed pulley means those pulley which have contains the which is formed by mixing the single fixed pulley and the single movable pulley, or both types of pulley system are joined and form the new one system which is called the mixed pulley or block and tackle pulley. Isn't it? Okay. Please look there, one numerical problems. Calculate the efficiency. Calculate the efficiency of a pulley. Calculate the efficiency of a pulley. We should calculate the efficiency of a pulley means we should calculate ENTRA. Isn't it? Pulley system having the 4 pulleys. Having 4 pulleys. It means that if the 4 pulleys are contained in that, look here, number of pulley is determines the BR. Number of pulley is determines BR. BR is 4. Isn't it? In a 4 pulley system, if it lifts the 300 Newton, it lifts 300 Newton. It is the load applied with the help of 1000 Newton force. It is the load. Load, effort and VR. Start to calculate. Start to calculate. Do fast. Student, do fast. Okay. Hope you are clear. Effort, solution. Effort is equal to 1000 Newton. 1000 Newton. Load L is equal to 3000 Newton. Load and effort. BR of pulley equal to number of pulley is equal to 4. 4 pulley system. Isn't it? Okay, student. We have MA is equal to efficiency, right? Before writing it, please write efficiency. ENTRA is equal to what? We have, look here, we have MA is equal to, ENTRA is equal to MA upon BR multiply by 100. ENTRA means, look here, is equal to, what is the MA? MA means load upon effort. Load upon effort is called MA. Isn't it? 200 upon BR means BR into 100, already given. Load means 3000 or 300, look here, 3000, look there, is equal to load 3000 upon effort. Load 3000, effort 1000. 1, 2, 3 upon BR4 into 100. Isn't it? Okay. 3 upon 4 into 100. 4 ones are 4. 425. 100 is equal to, therefore, entire is equal to 3 into 25. 3 multiplied 25. Therefore, hence 75%. The efficiency of this pulley system is 75%. Isn't it? And 25% efficiency are lost into the frictional force. Okay, student. Next term, wheel and axle. What is the wheel and axle? When our two coaxial cylinders are connected, one cylinder is of larger diameter, which is called the wheel, and the second cylinder, and the one cylinder has the smaller diameter, which is called the axle. Look there. A wheel and axle is an arrangement of the two coaxial cylinder. The arrangement of a two coaxial cylinder. The arrangement of a two coaxial cylinder is called the wheel and axle. Wheel and axle. WHEEL. And rough it. Wheel and axle. Look here. Wheel and axle. A wheel and axle is an arrangement of two coaxial cylinders with a different radii. For example, look diagram. One side. Look there. Diagram of wheel and axle. There is look there. There is the one is the larger two. There is connection of the two coaxial cylinder. Two coaxial cylinder. One has the larger diameter and another one as the smaller diameter. Those cylinders which have the larger diameter, which is called the wheel, and those cylinders which have the smaller diameter, which is called the axle. Isn't it? Okay, student. I hope you are clear in the topics wheel and axle. We should calculate the MA and BR of a wheel and axle. How we calculate the MA? Okay, MA is equal to load upon effort. MA of wheel and axle is the load and effort. BR means distance traveled by the load, effort. Our general formula, distance by effort upon distance by distance traveled by the effort upon distance traveled by load. It's called BR. How we calculate the distance traveled by effort? Distance by effort is equal to distance traveled by effort equal to number of rotation into the circumference of a wheel. Number of rotation into circumference of a wheel. We have there was connected the two coaxial cylinder. Look there. There was connected the two coaxial cylinder. One is the larger cylinder and second one is the smaller cylinder. I hope you are clear in the formula of circumference, how to calculate the circumference of a cylinder in mathematics. Isn't it? Okay. The formula is 2 pi 2 pi r. R means the radius of a larger cylinder or wheel, isn't it? Distance covered by load. Distance by load is equal to number of rotation into circumference of axle. It means that 2 pi small r. 2 pi r is the circumference of a wheel or axle. Circumference of a circle. It means that in the wheel and axle both has contains, suppose that it is the cylindrical object. Suppose that it is the cylindrical object. This is the circumference. This area circumference is 2 pi r, hasn't it? Okay. Now BR is equal to distance traveled by foot. Distance traveled by foot n into 2 pi r upon distance traveled by load. N into 2 pi small r. Isn't it? Distance 2 pi small r. N 2 pi. Therefore, BR velocity ratio is radius of a large circle. It means that the radius of the wheel upon radius of axle. Radius of a wheel upon radius of axle is called the velocity ratio. Radius of wheel and radius of axle is called the velocity ratio. And we should calculate the ANTRA or efficiency. Efficiency means MA upon BR into 100%. Please put the value of MA and BR at first. The value of MA and BR. Please put it. Value of MA is load upon effort. Load upon effort all divided by BR means R upon small r. Isn't it? Isn't it? Calculate it once again. L upon E into small r upon r. It means that L into R upon E into capital R. It is the into 100%. Into 100%. This is the formula we use to calculate the efficiency of wheel and axle. I hope you are clear about it. Next term may be asked in your exercise or questions. Wheel and axle is an example of a continuous lever. Why? Wheel and axle is as a continuous lever. Wheel र axle लाई हामी के भन्छौं continuous lever भनेर भन्छौं. Why wheel and axle is called the continuous lever? Wheel and axle can be considered as the continuous lever. It is because the fulcrum lies between the load and effort in the wheel and axle, so that it works on the principle of first class lever. Wheel and axle is called the continuous lever. Wheel and axle is called the continuous lever because fulcrum lies in between. Fulcrum lies in between load and effort. Fulcrum lies in between load and effort in a wheel and axle, so that it works on the principle of first class lever. Isn't it? When the fulcrum is in the wheel and axle, fulcrum is lies in between between the load and effort, so that it works like a principle of first class lever. What is the principle of first class lever? First class lever, the principle of first class lever is fulcrum is lies in between, or the product of load into load arm is always equal to the effort into effort arm. Isn't it? This is the principle of lever or a first class lever. Isn't it? Wheel and axle also work on the basis of related to the first class lever, or fulcrum is lies in the center of wheel and axle, so that it is called the continuous lever. Don't be confused. Isn't it strange? Okay. Now we are turns to the next one topics. Next one topics is inclined plane. What is the inclined plane? There is strain to a scene diagram which is called the inclined plane. Scene diagram which is called inclined plane, isn't it? Okay. A simple device that makes the small angles with a horizontal surface and is applicable to load upward is and the inclined plane. A simple device which makes a horizontal, which makes a certain angle with a horizontal and applicable to pick up a load, which is called the inclined plane. Look here. When this is the in that way, look here, this is the horizontal, my lower end is the horizontal part, isn't it? Horizontal part. These dusters make a certain angle with my lower end. This duster is called the inclined plane. Or mostly mountains road are an example of inclined plane. In your previous class 6, 7, 8, there was asked the one questions. Mountain roads are make longer. Why? Easy to pick up large load by applying the less effort, isn't it? In your previous class, you are already discussed. Mountain roads हरूलाई लामो बनाइन्छ. लामो बनाइन्छ भन्नुको मतलब inclined plane जस्तो बनाइन्छ. Inclined plane means the plane which makes the certain angle with a horizontal. With a horizontal, isn't it? Why the mountain roads are made longer? To pick up less large load by applying less effort, isn't it? Okay. In an inclined plane, the load acts towards the center of the earth, whereas the effort acts as in the inclined plane. Effort acts parallel to the plane for the inclined plane. When an object is pulled upward or is made to climb at height, the distance traveled by load is equal to the height of the distance traveled by effort. The distance traveled by the load is equal to the distance traveled by the load in a inclined plane. We look from one diagram, please. Please look here. This is an example of inclined plane. This is an example of inclined plane. If here is the one object, effort. This is effort. And this distance is the applied distance, means the load distance, load distance, applied effort. This is called the effort load, and this distance is called the effort distance. Is that clear? हेर्नुस् है, यो स्लेन्टेड ट्रायंगल जस्तो पार्टमा देखिएको छ, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल जस्तो देखिएको छ. यो राइट एंगल हो नि. This is the right angle. Suppose that. यसको अपोजिटमा यहाँ के छ, लोड छ. लोड सँगै कन्टेन भएको डिस्टेन्स भनेको के हो? खास लोडले ट्राभल गरेको डिस्टेन्स हो. त्यो डिस्टेन्सलाई हामी के भन्छौं? लोड डिस्टेन्स भनेर भन्छौं. I hope you are clear in this draw, isn't it? MA of inclined plane. MA is equal to, it is easy, load upon effort. MA is always load and ratio of load and effort. What is BR? BR is equal to distance traveled by the effort upon distance traveled by load. Distance by effort upon distance by load. Distance traveled by effort upon distance traveled by load is called BR. Distance traveled by effort. Distance traveled by effort means L, and distance traveled by effort is equal to L. Look here. L upon Distance traveled by load. By load is equal to h. This height. Port distance upon load distance. Traveled by load. Therefore, Br is equal to L upon h. Isn't it? Br is equal to L upon h. I hope you are clear in this term. Okay, student? Okay. We have revised the very short one topics. Momentum. What is the momentum? Moment. What is moment? Moment is the turning effect produced by a force on a body. Turning effect produced by a force on a body. It's called moment. Moment is the vector produced of the force and the moment arm. When the moment is equal to force into moment arm. It's equal to force into moment. Please remember it. Formula of momentum or the mathematical definitions of momentum is here. Moment is equal to product of force and moment arm. There was the two types of moment. Clockwise moment and anti-clockwise moment. The clockwise moment is always equal to the anti-clockwise moment. Isn't it? Okay. Laws of momentum. Law of momentum. In an equilibrium condition, a linear sum of the clockwise moment and the sum of anti-clockwise moment produced at a point are equal. Law of moment. In an sum of is always equal to the sum of, in the equilibrium condition, the sum of clockwise moment is equal to the sum of anti-clockwise moment. Dear friend, I have completed the today's class. Hope you are understood about this lesson. If you are confused in some points, please ask or call your respective teacher.